Who should I talk to first? Do they got what I like? And how do I find the one if I don't have time to chat with them all? You think I'm talking about finding a date? No. This is what finding a supplier for an online business often feels like. What a girl gotta do to get some love around here? Hi, I'm Susanna, and while there is no shortcut to love, there is a shortcut to finding qualified suppliers. Before we continue, show me some love, and remember to subscribe to this channel so you won't miss any future tips. Okay, so the tool I'm going to show you today is called Request For Quotations, or RFQ. An RFQ is a sourcing request you can post on Alibaba.com with details on the type of products you need, the quantity, the maximum budget, and any customization needs. It's sort of like setting up a profile on a dating app. The RFQ process is quick. A well-written RFQ usually will generate up to 10 quotes within the first 12 hours. Only qualified suppliers will get your RFQ, and those who respond are highly likely to have the capability to meet your product's needs. With RFQ, you will get all your quotations on one page. Easy for you to quickly compare and take your pick. It's better than dating. No small talk, no awkward moments, no need to ask your girlfriend to call you 10 minutes in so you have an excuse to bail out early. No, I would never. Now all you need to do is go to Alibaba.com on your PC, scroll down to the RFQ section to get started. You'll see an RFQ form that looks like this. Take your time to fill it out with as many details as possible, because a higher completeness level means you'll get quotations with better quality and quantity in a shorter period amount of time. Once you're done, hit submit and see the quotations come rolling in. On one page, you can easily compare these quotations on the basis of business type, product info, unit price, lead time, and more. Believe me, it's more efficient than finding a date. That's it. With RFQ, let the qualified suppliers come to you. Because you and I got places to go and people to meet. Ciao!